Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. So today's video is going to be a fake bake video. I started doing some fake baking for Christmas. The first fake bake I'm going to show you is this cute little penguin cake that I did. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is protect your surface by using wax paper. Now this is the clay that I'm going to use. You can purchase this at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Family Dollar Store, and Walmart. Now Dollar Tree carries their own version, which is called the Crafter Square. I really would not recommend using that because I actually purchased one just to use it as an example to see how it worked, and let me tell you, a couple of days later it still feels very tacky, so I really would not recommend using that for this type of project. Okay, now that you massaged or folded your clay, now you're going to want to roll it out. Do not worry about if it comes out in a circle or not. You just want to be able to extend it. If you feel that it's a little bit too hard, maybe you want to massage it a little bit more. You can see there that I was actually having a little hard time doing that. But again, don't worry about if it's a perfect circle or not. As long as it covers the top of your cake, that should be fine, because good thing about clay is that it's very forgivable. So for the igloo, I just got a foam ball, cut it in half, covered it with some clay, and made a little opening for my penguins to go in. Okay, so I chose to go with 2 foams instead of 3. Now you want to make sure that you glue it down because you don't want them falling apart. Also, you'll see in a minute that the side of the clay was a little too thick, so I just went ahead and rolled that out. It's okay, as long as the top of the cake it's covered, you should be fine. Now we will be pulling on it just gently so it can make sure that it goes somewhat halfway on the side, so when we add the pieces that we need, as you can see right there, that it doesn't go all the way down, the top layer of the clay will be able to grab, if it makes any sense, hold on to the second layer that we'll be adding.
Laughing all the way, bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Okay, so now you want to press firmly down because you do not want any air bubbles in there. The last thing you want is for this to create a crease or start breaking on you. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the sides. So this is where we're going to make sure that this piece that we're doing is going to go all the way around. Again, do not worry if it doesn't look like it matches, again, the clay is very forgivable. You'll be able to blend it all in there, and as you'll see in a minute that I'll just be rolling it back and forth until it finally looks all evened out.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, so now that I glued down the igloo, now I'm going to be doing the frozen pond, and we're going to start working on our little penguins as well.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to.
Okay, so the penguins were a little bit time consuming. Well, actually the whole thing is, but I felt like the penguins were a little bit harder only because I wasn't sure how to do them. But once I really got the hang of it, it was just quick. So the first one will always be the hardest because you have no idea what you're doing. But here I'll be using sharp tools, so please be careful when you're doing this. I'm actually very surprised that I did not cut myself, not one single time.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is
Okay, so now she needs some cute little earmuffs.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bride was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, and now she needs a cute little scarf. Okay, so here I have some pre-made penguins to join the party.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go.
And there you have it, it's all done. Thank you so much, guys. I really enjoy showing you this. This is actually my first penguin fake cake. I also did a snowman fake cake. Guys, if you really like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be safe, be kind. Until next time, bye.
Hey,